Hello friends, so today let's prepare some lemongrass chicken. So lemongrass has been used for the last 5,000 years and it has been growing in the Southeast Asia like in India. And it is called the Malabar grass and the Cochin grass used for its healing effects and aromatics. And so here I have used the boneless chicken half a kg and then I've added salt and some pounded pepper to it. I have made big pieces. You can make it into a smaller pieces. That will be more tasty like that. Then cook it on a high flame first. When the water comes out, then cook it on a low flame until all the water is left out. Now peel the outer toughened layer of the lemongrass after removing the root one by one. The hard toughened layers of the lemongrass, and keep aside the soft white food of the lemongrass, and we'll use it later. Now tie together the bunches of lemongrass, the hard lemongrass, and we'll use it in cooking. Now the chicken is cooked and the brown layer down. It's not burned. It is really tasty when you have such brown layers perfectly coming out. And so in that we have kept the bunch of lemongrass, hard lemongrass. We'll close it and keep it aside out of the flame. And now we'll chop the lemongrass into smaller pieces, and we'll divide it into 3 parts and use it at 3 different times of the cooking. We will pound it first so that the aroma, the earthy smell, the sweet smelling earthy smell will come out of the lemongrass. Now we'll take some garlic and some ginger, and we will chop it finely. And meanwhile, and that brown thing in the chicken, that also we will use. We'll add some water so that it melts out. And for the cooking, I have used the gingerly oil, and that the gingerly oil only the smell, the taste will come out properly. To that, when it heats properly on high flame, I added the ginger and garlic, and I added the oil on a higher side, a little bit more, because I hadn't fried the chicken pieces. So little more oil is used here so that the taste comes out. And we have used green chilies to it, and then we'll add the spring onion to it, and the spring onion greens we will add to it. And after that, the tomato sauce, the red chili sauce, the vinegar, and then we'll remove the lemongrass, hard lemongrass, and then toss in the chicken pieces also. And so now mix them well. Meanwhile, I have kept the pan that the chicken was cooked. I have kept on the other stove and added a little bit of water to it to boil, and so that the brown thing that is sticking on it will come out. See, I have added the lemongrass, pounded lemongrass now, the first part, the first 1/3, and see the water is boiling. The other stove, and the brown thing, that the brown chicken pieces that is there, it will come out. And we have used the cornstarch slurry and the melted water also I have used, and I'll mix it together. Then finally, I'll add on high flame, I'll add the spring onion and the 1/3 of the lemongrass that is pounded. Then close it on low flame for 2 minutes. Keep it. The chicken is cooked perfectly. The aromatic smell is coming out. And now we will garnish this with green chili, the green onion greens and spring onion greens, and with the lemongrass. So happy cooking during this New Year. Thank you.